Kreg Pocket-Hole Jigs have helped millions of people discover the satisfaction that comes from building their own DIY wood projects that go together quickly, look great, and last. Now, Kreg makes building DIY wood projects and making household repairs easier than ever with 300 Series Kreg Pocket-Hole Jigs and accessories. 300 Series Pocket-Hole Jigs are packed with features that make project building easy. Whether you're a do-it-yourselfer building your first wood project or you're an experienced builder who's been doing it for years. Kreg 300 Series Pocket-Hole Jigs provide the simplicity, versatility, and convenience you want, plus the durability and value you expect from the #1 pocket hole brand, Kreg. If you like to or think you'd like to turn boards and plywood from the home center into your own projects, and if you appreciate products that deliver on their promise to make getting great results not just easier, but better, at the top of the 300 Series family is the Kreg Pocket-Hole Jig 320. Inside this compact case, you'll find what you need to get started building DIY projects with pocket hole joinery, including the jig, drill and driver bits, a clamp adapter, and 2 sample packs of the most used Kreg pocket hole screw sizes. Setting up the Pocket-Hole Jig 320 is incredibly easy. Just slide the stop to the thickness of your wood, and you know the pocket hole will be perfectly placed when you position the Pocket-Hole Jig 320 on your material. The included thickness gauge makes it easy to know the thickness of your material too. Just place the gauge along the edge of the wood and it will show you the thickness, which matches up with the settings on the material thickness stops. After that, all you need to do to finish setting up the Kreg Pocket-Hole Jig 320 is to position the stop collar on the special Easy Set step drill bit. It has engraved measurements that match up with the thickness gauge and the stops on the jig. Slide on a simple stop collar until you see the right measurement through the window, and then lock it down. Now you can drill to exactly the right depth every time. No guessing, no worry about getting it wrong. Just drill until the stop collar contacts the jig's drill guide and you'll have a perfect pocket hole. The Pocket-Hole Jig 320 is just as easy to use as it is to set up. Just place it on your material with the stops against the edge or end. A non-slip surface on the underside of the drill guides helps hold the jig in place. Just position a clamp and apply pressure to hold the jig firmly in place with no worry about slipping. The 320 comes with a clamp adapter too that pops into the jig and accepts Kreg clamps as well as other kinds. With the clamp adapter, you can lock the clamp onto the jig, and that makes it easy to position the jig and clamp it in place with one hand. Then you're ready to drill. With 2 drill guides, you can work quickly using the Pocket-Hole Jig 320 by drilling 2 holes without moving the jig. And you can set the spacing between holes to suit your needs by simply twisting the jig, removing the spacer, and then locking the 2 drill guides back together side by side. Or you can separate the 2 drill guides and use them separately. This makes the jig even more versatile. No matter how many times you use your jig, those drill guides will guide your pocket holes perfectly because they're made of hardened steel and have a lifetime warranty. Like everything Kreg makes, 300 Series Pocket-Hole Jigs are built to be tough enough for professionals, but easy to use for anyone, even if you're just getting started. And when you buy from Kreg, you get more than just a product. You become a part of the Kreg family, which means you'll get Kreg's comprehensive product instructions, world-class customer support, how-to educational videos, newsletters, and social interaction, and even step-by-step plans for projects you can build. To learn more about 300 Series Kreg Pocket-Hole Jigs, as well as Kreg's other solutions for creating do-it-yourself and woodworking projects, visit us online at kregtool.com.